Hi, I am Ace, Hochiki engineer. I am going to explain about troubleshooting programmable routing. Input 1 has a full open circuit trouble. Here, I have latitude panel with me. So, let's start. Panel screen is now showing trouble notification. Let's take a look closer. You can see we have one trouble notification here, and general trouble indicator lamp is active. Now press Trouble tab. Trouble Programmable routing. Input 1 has a full open circuit trouble. Programmable routing. Input 1 terminal is located at the bottom right side of the main backboard. The purpose of the Programmable routing Input 1 terminal is to interface with Fire routing equipment. By default, this terminal is not pre-programmed but to program manually as needed. Programmable routing. Input 1 has a full open circuit trouble occur when the terminal is not reading 3.3 k ohm EOL resistor. There are three possible causes of programmable routing. Input has a full open circuit trouble. First, 3.3 k ohm EOL resistor is not properly installed at the terminal. Second, if connected with Fire routing equipment, 3.3 k ohm EOL resistor is not properly installed at the terminal of Fire routing equipment. Third, cable might be broken in between Fire panel and Fire routing equipment. For possible cause 1, install 3.3 k ohm resistor at the Programmable routing Input 1 terminal, then trouble should be cleared. After installing 3.3 k ohm resistor at Programmable routing Input 1 terminal, panel will be back to normal. For possible cause 2, if 3.3 k ohm EOL resistor is not properly installed at the terminal of Fire routing equipment, then install it properly and trouble will clear. After 3.3 k ohm resistor is properly installed at the terminal of Fire routing equipment, panel will be back to normal. For possible cause 3, begin with removing cable termination at Fire routing equipment and Fire control panel. Then, carry out cable continuity test using multimeter. If continuity test found cable open, broken, find out and connect it properly. And then, connect the cable at Fire routing equipment and Fire control panel. After rectifying the broken cable and connect back to the terminal, panel will be back to normal. For summary, first, if the terminal is not used, make sure to install 3.3 k ohm resistor at the Programmable routing Input 1 terminal. Second, if connected with Fire routing equipment, make sure to install 3.3 k ohm resistor at the Fire routing equipment as well as cable between two panel. Hope this video helped, and you can drop us your questions to get guides from your nearest contact in our Hochiki group of companies. Thank you and see you on next video.